So problem number one on this air conditioner was the compressor wouldn't start, and it was an unlikely suspect that actually was the cause. This one was a multiple offender, so you always want to look deeper on things, but initially I had to get it running in order to check it out, and it was surprising.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Have they seen our coolant here? Oh, it feels warm on the compressor side. You can see what's going on. It's smoky and a little strange. Out of the area, so I went ahead and pulled the disconnect. Fan's running. I don't really hear the compressor, so let's see what we got going on. Give you a little look at the scenery. Good old Palm Springs. Before it gets any hotter. Oh yeah. There's the discharge of the capacitor, which looks really tired. I'll bet you it's that capacitor. It's got a Titan Pro on the 5, so that's probably good. To test these, I got a feeling we're going to be replacing this. I started putting the start wire in the front because all we really needed to test it is to pull off the start wire. This one's got the commons in the front. There we go. There's all the commons. Start and the hard start kit. Got a feeling I'll be replacing this one, so I'm not too worried about it at this point. hard start kit cause a fail. It looks like a bad hard start kit. 0.0L. Compressor. Check the wiring here. Everything looks okay there. Contactor points look a little dark, but I think it's okay. The fact that the compressor is so hot suggests that it's getting an attempt at power. Wow. Jeez. Looks like we're all alive there. All the wiring looks good. This capacitor just looks tired to me, but mixed thoughts of replacing it just as the amount of rust on it. I'm not charging people for parts or anything. Building maintenance is a little bit different than regular AC guys. Just wanted to bend that terminal out a little better. Alright, but I am going to switch the common to the back, and that way I can test this easier in the future. So, and I'll put the start in the front. Make life easier in the future for testing purposes. The terminal's a little better, a little straighter. There we go. And let's get a new hard start kit. I'll show you the good one. We should test around 55. Hard on the feet. It's kind of rare that a hard start would cause the failure. 47.9. That's good. These are right around 50. Yeah, we had a bad hard start. It happens. We're going to start now. Let's disconnect back in. Started right up. Doesn't mean it's our only thing going on, but sounds a little odd. cold yet. Very hot right away. Maybe low on Freon. Low to empty. Compressor's getting pretty hot pretty fast. I think we're gonna need refrigerant. This looks suspect to me. See like oil in there. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it and go grab my gauges, check it. Feels too hot. That one's sitting right on the ground. Getting that up a little bit, get it off of the ground. The filter dryer is going to be rubbing on the ground. Like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull it. I'll check the seals there. Pull it. I'll grab my refrigerant. Again, I suspect it under here. It's been leaking. You can see it's like moist. Alright, we'll give it a checkup.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.